In this video, I'll tell you how you can easily clear cache on any Android device. First of all, navigate to your settings application and scroll down, then go to apps or applications, and from here select the application you want to delete the cache from. Let's say I want to delete cache from Free Fire. Simply tap on that and scroll down and go to storage like this, and at the bottom right corner you can see clear cache. Simply tap on clear cache and the cache will be cleared. After that, go back and you can select any other application you want to clear the cache of. Let's say I want to clear cache of this application. Scroll down, tap on storage and tap on clear cache. However, if you want to delete the cache of Google Chrome, then simply navigate to your Google Chrome application like this, then tap on three dots and right here tap on history, then click on delete browsing data. And if you want to delete only cache and cookies, then you can unselect your history, and from here you can select the time frame. I will select all time, then tap on delete data. So that's how you can easily clear cache on any Android device. So that's it for this video. If this video helps, subscribe.